Now dreadlocks. Now this is dedicated to all the Augustine massive. Now all of us them all well tight now. Shock out, man. Lord of his mercy. Don't tell me that you come on the with them like all this up and all them. Don't tell me that you come freak. Now come again, man. Now this one dedicated to you like Sammy, you like Lenky. And the center of crew. Now the crew they want to shock out now, you know. Yes, yes. I'm in your Tanto, I'm in your metro. Come tell me, I'm in your Tanto, I'm in your metro. Don't tell me that you come on the with them like all this up and all them. Don't tell me that you come on the with them like all the up and all them. Tell me that you come on the with them like all this up and all them. Tell me that it's in the queen, don't tell me that it's in the king. Don't tell me that Tanto me chop on the mind chanting. Don't tell me that me just check out the people in the sassy. Now I come here chicken just and make me tell you something. What a you can DJ, what a you can sing. But not by the next summer till you make on to foreign. I'm in lit up on everything like a list up on a lip. I'm in lit up on everything like a tie up on a rip. And I tell them to me some of the things can't kill. And I want Peter me chuck on your keep bubble. Then I'm gonna check up on everything like a list up on a lip.
Now chicken over on them, chicken over teach them, chicken over on them and one. Now chicken over on them, chicken over teach them, chicken over on them and one. Me don't want me to throw, me to throw, me to run, right the version. Now watch us select a thing, down left on for selection. Prove it the groove, but still me a proof, cause me a cheese. I'll come again.
I ain't seeing no ramp, you know. I ain't seeing no ramp, man. I ain't catch your vibes on his worries, you know. La, scabadai, ribbidi-doom, ba-dum, ba-dum. Yes, yes. So watch it chicken, so watch it chicken, so watch it chicken, now watch it chicken. But bye, but I watch it Tanto, but I watch it Ashman. Come tell me, but I watch it Tanto, but I watch it Ashman. Don't tell me to check up on them with them like on the top and all them. Don't tell me to check up on them with them like on the top and all them. Tell me I ain't touching the queen, don't tell me I ain't touching the king. Don't tell them to me chop on the mind chanting. Now what's that so me chat, say good that people this are saying. You took me with tapping and just charge you visit. So come here chicken, just make me tell you something. What are you can DJ, what are you can sing? But I made the next summer till you make out to foreign. They end up on there with them like a tie up on a rip. Then when I want them, then when I teach them, then when I
now chicken don't want them, chicken don't teach them, chicken don't tell them and to who respect is due, respect it must go true. The Dan man syndicate, they are the sound crew. Me man, me fan, me sister, my brother, me uncle, me niece too. Me chat on a microphone, I like when chicken is barbecue. Me jump a cowl in terrorist, I no even avenue. When Luke and police find bad man say in the curfew. Chicken don't want them, chicken don't teach them, chicken don't tell them and trade. Them cannot do it like me. Me style. Talk about the beats from a far country. There is when they live so merrily. Me run the song, cut and show, cut the party. Me afraid of Papa and me afraid of General Tree. Chicken don't want them, chicken don't teach them, chicken don't tell them and for. For start they keep they shout and most of the bad man door. Good loving, passionate feeling for my girl, me adore. Now wait until later, little brigadier shall get some more. Now come on, Peter, make sure.
Well, chicken chest, pull up selector. Girls, girl, well up your one if you want drink something. Watch out, see a girl smile and her teeth they rotten. Worries again, trouble again, metro again. Worries again, lad. Hear me now. Me don't want a rotten teeth, yeah, me don't want a rotten teeth, girl. Rotten teeth. You see what I mean? Rough metro. Now, a lot of girls with them teeth white and pretty and look nice. You know, come smile, and when I smile, I see this big old rotten teeth. Now, that's why I like the girl who keep themselves up to date, man. You see what I mean? Yes. But I wanna rock the teeth, girl. I wanna rock the teeth, girl. Rock the teeth, girl. Must go a regal. Rock the teeth, girl. I wanna rock the teeth, girl. Can't go to Cabri, can't go to regal. Some girl out the street, them swear say them sweet. You looking at them out, them got a pair rock the teeth. Me know a marijuana when the Monica got pair rock the teeth in her jaw corner. When she smile, me see bull of bread, bun and butter, rent I am yellow, yam and green. You see what I mean? Yes, man. Slash say no. Come again, man. Yeah, man. That's right. Well up your one if you want drink something. I see a girl smile and her teeth them run. But I wanna rock no teeth, yeah. But I wanna rock no teeth, girl. Can't go to Cabri, can't go to Regal. Rock no teeth, yeah. But I wanna rock no teeth, girl. Can't go to Gary, can't go to Regal. Some get loud to sweet. Them sweet, so them sweet. You looking at them out, them got a peer rotten teeth. We know what maga one. When the Monica got peer rotten teeth in our jaw corner. When she smile, me see full of bread, bun and butter. Rent a yam, yellow yam and green banana. A little color Louis in the jaw corner. When you get them, the teeth in your jaw corner. She said, me trouble me pregnant with my first daughter. I just choose it for me to be a rata. No. Hold up your one if you don't got rotten teeth. Push up your one, bring me selector. Yes? No, you see Tanto Metro. It might have come from foreigner with a foreigner girl feel. I see the foreigner girl where mother bring from foreign. She don't have no teeth, just a big brown gum. Now Tanto Metro come tell the people about the foreigner.
Our dreadlocks is with a ramp, you know. You see what I mean? Our Tanto is safe, man. You see what I mean? Our selector sky just go on, because you're rough, you know. You're rough, man. Our sweet Avern, I know sister is safe. Lord, scabba-dabba-die. Hey, scabba-doo-ba-dabba-die. Hey. Me no want no mash mouth, girl. Me no want no mash mouth, girl. Can't go to Caribbean, can't go to Regal. Mash mouth, girl. Me no want no mash mouth, girl. Can't go to Caribbean, can't go to Regal. Me have this fat girl named Mary Longtongue. Me beg her a kiss, me a feel pear gum. Now this is the question when me ask Longtongue. How you don't have no teacher, just a royal gum? She said, listen to me, darling, and listen to me, son. And show me love the ice and me lollipop and bubble gum. We how do you teach, man?
What is the last say now? We're going to bring down Tonto Irie now. Where say you?
I'll select and take it along, man. I'll respect you to all massive, well progressive. Sin. I'll big respect to Peter Metro and the crew. I like Tanto Metro. How Sky Juice me love talk to the people, let me know. Now me a preacher. I love talk to the people, let me know. Oh, you have Papa San comedy animal style. I have Super Cat comedy funny art style. Now, true me no love work, a peer care come on my session. Selassie I know. Now I go stone cold junglist. Massive. What da ding, who we be dong ding, hey. Who what da ding, who what da dong ding, hey. Ribby dong, who we did down. Who not the one of Papa Son with the animal style. One super cat with the vineyard style. Here Taton by Ben, you been kid and no while. No they come and tell it, pick it down, bigger than wild. No they come and tell it, pick it down, bigger than wild. Keeping a session down a unimota. Them no one no DJ and them no one no singer. No put them motor car was a lot to enter. Every car trash right down to them tire. This one made the player engine high power. With tropical battery as the big promoter. And broad face gearbox as the entertainer. That run from every crevice down to every corner. No, special guest artist 3000 Capri. Who drive him command on the one still. Capri with the mic and Toyota ball murder. Him draw one no give him draw two, him draw three. As some me get no Capri a band murderer. When him draw the fourth gear Toyota start backfire. We think it was a shot out of one Santana. Every cabin at the dance man them start wonder. Like the pulp of one the Fiat and the one ladder. No in a this and dance we never one over here. So me send back a VW gun back a Russia. No yes a Tanto why be no them roll bout ya. Oh yes a Tanto why be man name large bout ya. No me been chill circle and a proper wiper. And bumper out a door and him a ball murder. Bumper a run him down with him Bushmaster. Oh yes a Tanto why be no you under order. No me and Peter Mitchell no me live like brother. No any girl me get him a thing get the sister. If me get Palit him get Angela. And as me get a son man him get a daughter. No the dance can't want me daughter get promoter. The sound can't play with that operator. The bar can't run with daughter bartender. The arms can't fix with other technician. No yes Sky Juice a film with operator. No yes under the phone we have a roll bout ya. Will not talking me select yo. Now Peter Metro. Are you real Metro Media sound right now? Sin. I have a shock out. Shock out youth.
Well it's the last say no. We love your voice youth. Now Tanto Metro and Tonto Irie. Respect you to them two youth there.
And I pause to present to you the antique DJ, man called Ashman. Why you say Ashman have on glasses tonight, boy, and look like Stevie Wonder? Now come down Stevie Wonder, Ashman.
Well he's a chicken chest. Well intelligent business don't you lax. Second massive. Lad, get down Sky Juice, I know so we rough. I'm going to say rough from long time now. Well, hello, you wanted by Tonto right now. Come in, Jed. Here's a no. Lad, tribu be egg, no butter bread. Lad, tribu bubble up on me, step on me trunk bed. Lad, tribu be egg, no butter bread. Lad, tribu bubble up on me, step on me trunk bed. What them call me? Cartoonist, them call me. Cartoonist, do you like it? Cartoonist, them call me. Cartoonist, dread. Cartoonist, boo. Cartoonist, what them call me? Cartoonist, them call me. Cartoonist. When I tell them about some cartoon on my television, you visit the super friends when them in action. You know hear what I go on in the city go time. Them capture Robin, them capture Batman. So who capture them? No the Catwoman girl. So them send a signal to the one Superman, to the Wonder Twins, even Wonder Woman who was swimming in the sea, the one Aquaman. Them send a telepathic communication to every creature of the deep ocean. So you know the Flash God not the breaks and come again. But this is a style dedicate to all gun action, like the thing called gun party. Well, put us on a game animal style, Tonto a game car style, chicken chest to the Birdman party. But get some style, what about party called Peter Mitchell some boom party to you know. Lad, you see the gun, them lad. You see the gun, them boo. You see the gun, them lad. You see the gun, them. They were keeping a dance, saying a gunshot. So who keep the dance? So the boy one pap. So we came my gin, big mouth bragga dab. You have to be a the laugh with the on the spot. You have to be a notch. To stand up and watch. When Ashman attack away you, stop and listen no gun. Couldn't come in and listen back them license. We enter the dance just ammunition. The sound where you play name gun promotion. With cool boy sluggers, the mic magician. Who stand up at the gate, bad boy Remington. So with him pet name as bomb action. Who a scream off the fence, bad boy 16. So with him my dream name XM18. And that make no police couldn't snipe and come in. Who stand up on me counter, one SLR. Say gun some near lad, say gun some far. Them buy out all the bullet, them were in at the bar. Who come in at the dance and make enough trouble. Was bad boy, especially with ring funny mongle. You come more in at the night when the dance get nice. Beside 3-2 Matica dance with 4-5. Beside Miss Grenade, I talk about she outside. A fling sweet wine under the boy down the mic. Hold tight, squeeze right, shut up fire all night. Refreshments and sale was gunpowder. With island clad, we clean out them chamber. Who hold lamp on the mic, it was loud more chopper. When them start chat, style of beer, shut up fire. Beside Magnum, a dance with Luger, lad. You see the gun, them lad. You see the gun, them lad. You see the gun, them lad. See Magnum, August man gun, lad. See 16 at big. Come here, Peter Mitchell. Well, still I say no respect, Joe, man. You would call Tiger of the year, I'm saying. I know it's a Tiger fresh every time. So just hold tight. Yeah, man. Now to relax, all massive. I bring the youth called Tiger. I'm not a Tiger. No respect, the Microsoft. No. Tonto Irie come back. Yeah, man. Tonto Irie. No respect. Well, Peter Metro. Here's Metric. Ashman the Massive. No Twin. Alright. Milo. Get me Grammy. Get me Grammy. Get me Grammy. Get me Grammy. Come in now, see me name Pambul and Yummy. It's not on the tiger, but we get him Grammy. And you know that on the tiger. Me come just with a pull it. Oh fuck man. Pull up. Got Tiger up. Who goes there? Name, ranks, and number. Tiger, rough. Now come again, you. Now you have to get your Grammy. Irie! No respect. Now big respect to all the other stone massive. Every road. You call it? It name get my Grammy, me have to get me Grammy. It's not that the tiger want to get me Grammy. Come in now, see me name Pambul and Yummy. For you know that the tiger want to get him Grammy. Me run go show me mommy, me show me daddy. I owe me as parrot, no Tonto Irie. And the one Peter Metro get the academy. And now when they come to girl we get that plenty. Peter
So me to win the Irie, a murderer. In the losing of the tiger, from both down. But you look under the Tonto, and come from up so. The north and the place, it went well go.
Rasta. Now pull it. Pull it. All right now. Now this don't stop set of business. How we roll that? So last I know. Now when I said don't stop, I want to hear you say set up. Now we roll it. Now Tiger me United.
Yeah, man.
Lord, hey, chilla balaba, chilla balaba, we ball. Don't stop say so, who? Don't stop say so, who? Don't stop say so, who? Don't stop say so. Love me mother, want me father. Don't stop say so. Love me sister, want me brother. Don't stop say so. Love the color red passy. Don't stop say so. Love the Angola passy. Don't stop say so. Love me love to a tiger. Pull up. Now Tiger. Now before I let you, I want you to let out two to the kennel. Rough. Now pull up. Now come down. Two to the kennel. Who goes? Tiger. Rough. Now come again, you.
Jumbo. Now using decent language, but come down, man. No respect. No, Tonto, you said don't stop, say so. I was slang it down properly. Now stop, say so. No. Tonto in the area. Now stop, say so. Peter Betchen in the area. Now stop, say so. Papa Tiger in the area. Me dance, say so. Me love it, me soup, me say me love Jojo. And the dance of the run because that's how it go. Me I tell you, me show me the winner, you every yo. No, other sound massive. Don't stop, say so. But Tiger win the world, you know, and don't just go so. I want you best. Now come again.
Now rascal. Now pull up. Pull up. Now pull up. Hold it. Now make you talk to the people. Now you see Peter Metro. I respect him. Now Tiger is our upcoming champion. And I want to know. Now Chicken and all the man. Rough. Now you just know me and Tiger. Combination. Sin. Now come again, the selector. Call it rough, you know. Now I want a Stone Crow. Save. Now give me now. Now none of it massive. I'll take it. Nice and easy. So last I know. Now tra-la-la. La la la, hear me now, hey. But I you need Tiger, and I mean it Tonto, But I you need Tiger, and I mean it Tonto, Now you need Tiger, and I mean it Tonto,
Well, I mean Tiger, one and that Tonto. We come in and the dozen nice session for you. But don't forget the one that Peter made show. And also Ashman, you know him better. Along with the you live Major Peter. No, will you follow? Will you follow? Now you come and listen, get the one for pay your dollar. And you know that the Tiger make your month follow. Now go around the world and tell your girl that Major Peter Tonto where we run in the world. Along with the Tiger, me say one long way. Me come in and the dance, yes, that's something say. Me round dance all and come party. You know that Tonto Irie, he never ready.
Me say yes, that Tonto Irie have the authority. Bitch at the rubber, don't be side of anybody. Oh no, but I mean it Tonto, and I him near Tiger. But I mean it Tonto, and I him near Tiger.
And Bank of Branches Money Grow Pantry. Bank of Branches Money Grow Pantry. Well, let tell him Peter Major what to save money. Tiger one Tonto Irie have to save money. Me have to really save my money enough. Me don't want to old and be a beggar a crop. You tell them Bank of Branches Money Grow Pantry. Saving for me money that's a elementary. I'm working hard to build up me island Jamaica. I don't want to see the young tat suffer. And the elder parent must contest. Well, contest. You tell the better money well different. Along with Tiger Tonto when you're resident. Now the lyrics are we have them tougher dancing men. And the one with your run the end of government. Cause I will return them like the people well confident. But they know that them you use them on them excellent. Hey, and I mean your Tiger, and that's a bit of
But I mean it Tonto, and I you need Tiger. But I mean it Tonto, and I you need Peter. But I mean it Tonto, and I you need Peter. What's the last say, you know? So I say no, the youth called Tiger along the youth called Tonto Irie. I respect you to every crew. Nice and easy dreadlocks, now right now. August Tonto there, and nice this, see? Now shock out y'all, girl. No, get it, sir. We call it, see Ikide, girl fling it for me neck, yeah. See Ikide, yeah she fling it for me neck, keep bubbling. See Ikide, yeah she fling it for me neck, yeah. See Ikide, man she fling it for me neck. So me went to a dance, me said down a OG. Me book a tired girl and them call her Marie. Me carry with me house and fi come sleep with me. Give me Iki for me neck and Iki for me belly. Say Iki for me chest and make you ready, ready. Then she draw down me zip and take up me TP. Me say listen to me darling, please. Don't mess with my tutu. Hey, don't mess. We look okay. Yes, Mr. Later. Emma. No, sir. We call it. She will be a no, but I bread keep bubbling. So you are fling, girl, my must be a keep bubbling. She will be a no, but I bread gets back now. So you are fling, yeah, my must be it. No, me have a fat girl when name Lena. She tell me how much she love entertainer. You said that with Josie will the undercover lover. So me carry when me live over Angola. When me take off me shirt and me marina. When she take off the panty, me say Lord, me mama. When me look under her mama, me see one paper. Me say tell me something darling. I want that Lena. She said Tampa Apex Daily News and Gleaner. Lord, she will be able. No, but we don't come again. Selassie, now shock out. Rough. Now Jellock. Nobody touch the intelligent now, don't worry. Shock out set speed. We call it, she will be egg, no but I break, keep bubbling. So you want fling, girl, my bus me. We call it, video TV, come catch your video TV, listen lyric. Video TV, come catch your video TV. I'm so testing this thing to everybody. Video with your house is your best company. Whether you buy one a yard, or one a my, we don't come again, selector man. Now I catch it intelligent man, yes? I know say, intelligent vibes on the sound of the time, yes? I go think call it video TV. Anyway, boy, you're a guy talks a piece and we. Yes, man. Catch it, start. Video TV, come catch your video TV. Keep bubbling. Video TV, come catch your video TV. I'm so testing this thing to everybody. Video in your house is your best company. Whether you buy one a yard or one a Miami, just try to achieve man a video TV. You have love show, gun show and karate, war show, western and even comedy. If you want get your kicks, you watch a blue movie. You got show to make you sad, show make you happy, show to make you laugh and think wickedly. Like Scarface, Dillinger and Machine Gun Kelly, First Blood Night Talk on Paradise Alley, and Ian Flemings produced the most yes-man movie. Like Dr. No Moonraker and Octopussy, Pull Finger, one this by you love me. Him even one back here could have sail under sea. Sylvester Stallone, I am Star Rocky 1, 2 and 3. Now the star shop it's a round tree. Go get your video TV, come get your video TV. Keep bubbling, video TV, come get your video TV. You know the king of Kung Fu, Jaman was Bruce Lee. Them say Enter the Dragon was his second movie. With John Saxon and Jim Kelly. The second to last movie was Fist of Fury. But we now Game of the Tizzle him come brutally. Chen Quanta Starman from the monastery. With a lot of new technique and new style. Like eagle claw, snake, fish and monkey. Enough to carry, enough to your heart, enough to your belly. Go get your video TV, come get your video TV. Keep bubbling. Video TV, come get your video TV. No, video TV, come get your video TV. No, take a look at Terence Hill and Bud Spencer. We all know them as Trinity and bigger. Them do a lot of show which is full of laughter. Like two missionaries and crime buster. America's greatest comedian, a Richard Pryor. Franco Nero star, Django on the shark hunter. Professional guns and they have the cabra. I'm going name some film which are much area like Cannibal Holocaust and Dr. Butcher. My favorite star, Dr. Sidney Porter. We drop off a head, drop on shoulder. DJ Locker, we should not be a teacher. We call it Video TV come get. Will me selector, Mark. I don't say intelligent vibes run Metro Beat every time. Now pull up and come again, selector. Yes? I know the chicken chest there. Come down, you.
Now settle Peter. Why the mic a shock? Now pull up selector. Pull up. Well, let's see this love our business. Not fun to run it. I may roll it. Not respect, man. Not big up all entertainer out our pirates. Yeah? Now you see we now can't kill the people that will love to people business. Now leave people business alone. No check. No. She laba laba, two regular laba, she laba, Vivekana, she laba, but stranger, she laba, new lady, she name Miss Gata. Ooh, not the same one from so Kana. I tell me about Jean, Jennifer and Paula, how she borrow even slip and palm chaparita. I know Jean white clothes and bad color, would I tell you how Sky Juice big and slabber. Ashman can get no girl, she knows long like trailer. Lord me dear sir, say come listen ya. Me have tour if you tell you about Martha. You never hear say she gone to Manchester. How where she gone for? She gone look up ya. She get some island, she get powder. Island go where? Island come ya. And then she sprinkle it up at house corner. Say just she get her boobs, I only love her. She get Island tan, Island figure long. I just see take where people husband. I'll forget sweetness and glimity glam. She sprinkle it a day, she sprinkle it a night. But what in a darkness it must come a cheese. How is it, Peter? I know you want to talk. Now massive I want to hold tight and listen with them. Now we have names to that shame. Come again. Now we're off. Now we wind the lyrics up. Like Chris. Yeah? I'll stop that song. No check. No. Ribby bong dad, ribby bongs king lacha. Ribby bong dad, ribby bongs king lacha. Ribby bong dad, ribby bongs king. Labama business, labama business. Too flipping fat, you're too damn inquisitive. Stop. Watch 'em peep, you a cause mischief. Hush up your mouth before me wet you with Guinness. No, she laba, two regular laba, she laba, Vivekana, she laba, but stranger, she laba, new lady, she name Miss Gata. Ooh, not the same one for so Kana. I tell me about Jean, Jennifer and Paula, how she borrow even slip and palm chaparita. I know Jean white clothes and bad color, would I tell you how Sky Juice big and slabber. Ashman can't get no girl, she knows long like trailer. Lord me dear sir, say come listen ya. Me have tour if you tell you about Martha. You never hear say she gone to Manchester. How where she gone for? She gone look up ya. She get some island, she get powder. Island go where? Island come ya. And this is sprinkle it up at house corner. Say just she get her boobs, her only lover. She get Island tan, Island figure long. I just we take what people husband. I forget sweetness and glimity glam. She sprinkle it a day, she sprinkle it a night. But what in a darkness it must come and light. Now this is what the chicken a go talk on the mic. So no Miss Gata at the ring for us. I should know. Now she shake up Angela, she mash up Irie, talk about Ashman rent a piece of chicken back figure head. You remember the same old mash that had no Sky Juice in around tear of shit. Lord, Miss Gata in around for watch and peepee.
Now you can part two start musical thing called the Madman Party. Why want to town when you see a madman depart? One go England. Must go England. One go England. Must go England. And I don't know that madman ever reach England, but why I'm saying I for reach. We're going out to Bellevue. This is the Madman Party. I'm on a Madman Party. But a Madman Party. Hey, but a Madman Party. Get it start. Listen them. Keeping a dance. Me say out of Bellevue. Distinguished guests from the Madman crew. Beside the Madman I drink some Enkel Glow. I wear 2 plastic bags. I said that time show. Beside the Madman. Real selector come again, you fucker. Yes, Miss Selector. The mic a shock, man. If you touch me, me get shocked. See? Well, how yourself, star? Me said a short one come in where them call shorty. When him pick up the mic at this him DJ fill with. Him say search to the garbage when you feel hungry. Eat a rotten mango and a stinking patty. Drink gutter water when you get thirsty. Sleep anywhere from you feel sleepy. Talk to yourself when you get lonely. Take off your pants and tear out your... What a hold of the man of the soul. What a hold of the man of the soul. So who are cooking at the kitchen one when name stroker? Say everything him cook Ashman licking finger. Him cook dead cow, dead goat, dead iguana. French fry bullfrog with green banana. I'll give one wheel me selector man. Yes, that's what I mean. Now Wild Street Massive the shock out, man, every time. Now ask the granny where boobs mean and she will tell you where boobs mean. But if it's too super cat fling it wrong and say sick boobs they go on and you have him out. The whole Jamaica don't have it wrong already. So last say no. But it's when I talk about boobs, just ask the granny what she mean, man. I used to say boobs, she mean her little son or something like that. Or it's the man who take care of your girl and your boobs, you know, and you love her, you know. I used to say boobs. My boobs are my woman who take care of me. But you some super cat, him get it wrong and them fling it and it a mash up the place, it done gone bad already. Anyway, we know what it means, so we fling it next time. Yes?
Wallet. You say him check the dictionary and say butts. Butts is a serpent. See? Say to me say butts and not bubs, everything will be right.
Yeah, man. Them don't know say two different words, you know. One name butts and one name bubs. So him have it wrong and fling it wrong and the whole Jamaica have it wrong. But anyway, now Massive just come down selector. I want to go them shock out. I see two tiger fresh. But I just bring down tiger pan it, you know. Yeah.
Enough respect, Peter, the mic a shock. No, the books business there. That's enough to make you know Peter. You see, the books business there. It coming like puppy love, you know? So we can't take it. Alright, sir? Lord of mercy. Now leave hold tight. I take that style out. Listen. Puppy love, puppy love. I miss that tiger in the one puppy love. Put it bye-bye. Puppy love, puppy love. I miss that tiger in the one puppy love. Hey, me love me mommy. Me love me daddy. Why you feel love me love everybody? Lord, me love the black. Me love the white. Well, I'm on the mic, me make you feel alright. No, when I hypocrite, I'm a parasite. Yes, and then the tiger boy, you bad on the mic. Don't want no fuss, mommy, don't want to fight. Come in and the session, make you feel alright. Tiger this and glisten like a star. What do you call it? Puppy love, puppy love. Now come on, Pete.
Well, it's the last saying, you can't get that one in any record shop. Tiger puppy love. See? Now all girls, I want to tear out. Don't know, say we have the vibes of town and we roll. Yes? 59 tones the girl Metro Media follower. Respect you to every man of the era. Now girls, I want to the spread out. Now girls, hey, listen we want see we boobs and we can't see we boobs. Me your boobs and look them in a want for your boobs. Want see me boobs and me can't see me boobs. Me your boobs and look them in a want for your boobs, girl. Well up your one if you a cry for your man. Push up your one if you a cry for your man, girl. Well up your one if you a cry for your man. Push up your one if you a cry for your man. If you take a girl man, me say you no response. No wash him brief, no wash him underpants. If you take a girl man, me say you no response. You no response, me say you no response. Girl, hold up your one because your shoes are for your word. Push up your one and I'll give your man bone. Hold up your foot because your shoes are for your word. Hold up your one and I'll give your man bone, girl. Hold up your one because your frock are for your word. Hold up your one and I'll give your man bone, girl. Mask your man if your man ugly. Hide your girl if she favor the pay. Hold up your one because you know that she belly. Hold up your one because you trust already. My man a girl live she a cemetery. My man she can't knock your body. My man she can't knock your body. Shoot up your one cause them not nice like we. Them not nice like we. Say like we, them not sweet like we. Say like we. Come me want see me boobs and me can't see me boobs. Me your boobs and love me, me no want for your boobs. Me want see me boobs and me can't see me boobs. Me your boobs and look me, me no want for your boobs. As I was walking down the street, I met my own type girl and she called me Boobsy. Do you remember me? No. See me sure you long a maga. See make sure you me can't get no fatter. See make sure you long a maga. See make sure you me can't get no fatter. No, this guy juice him big and sour. I break you fucker. Come again. Yes, selector get mad. Come down, Ashman. Well, pull up skies and start talk to the people. When it's the Peter Mitchell tell about him boobs, and I'm crying for him boobs. But it's right now, it's so it around. As a girl say, I'm going to talk about boobs and I talk about she eat them out. And all them things there. We don't know that, you know. Right now, it's the girls who make the man them get tight, you know. The man make the man them not let have nothing now, because not talk about boobs business. So, all of the girls them do it. A super cat do it.
Pull up, selector. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Wanna go walk. Go and go walk.
Well, you see, Ashman, I'm going to tell you something. Listen to this. He said we hear this, and we originated, man. Circle. Well, all my sisters hold tight, girls. I'm going to style this now, and I want to take it in. Jesus, Lord. Yeah. Well, I go Stone Crew. I'm going to my sisters hold tight. Sammy and the Shelter Rock Crew. Jesus, Lord. Chibu Biega, no but a bread, lad. Chibubble up on me, step on me tongue bed, lad. Chibu Biega, no but a bread, lad. Chibubble up, me step on me tongue bed. Say listen, Ashman, maker, tell you something. Girl want to use my like Holly button, but not get nothing, not get nothing, not get nothing, not get nothing. Break! Come again. Pull up my selector, man. Yeah.
Me say, on up go walk. But you can't go up on Beverly Hills now. Also, like for them need them.
Why girls would have hold tight, you know? I have a sparring partner, say. Same knowledge of not that area. Come again. Yeah, man, Peter, me, Ashman, and Tanto, and Chicken Chest. Catch it again. I want to listen it, you know. No matter about don't stop, say so. And the new pattern is my hearing. We call it man for use, them a look man for use. Man for use, them a look man for use. Man for use, them a look man for use. But them can't get Ashman for use. Why? Nah get nothing, 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 nah get nothing. Girl nothing for nothing, girl something for something. Girl you want my something, you want figgy eye something. Nah get nothing, nah get nothing. Nah get nothing, nah get nothing. Could I eat my dead for hungry?
Nah get nothing.
Could I eat my dead for thirsty?
You nah get nothing.
You could I eat my walk barefoot?
Tell you nah get nothing.
Top boy you want carry steer?
Nah get nothing.
I want Ashman for cream a year.
Say you nah get nothing.
And boy you want half your cheese square?
Nah get nothing.
Who say no? Nah get nothing. Nah get nothing. Nah get nothing. Big! Come again. Come in. Yes! Metro Media nice every time, man. Now what you talk, Tanto Metro? Come down, Tanto Metro.
Now it's a lad. Now listen to the get to the center of crew, man. Jesus, lad. I see me now, me have a fat girl named Jacqueline as a shame, man. Cry for that thing, they know. But I'm going to down the door, down. You some skank now, man. Jesus, lad. I'm a skank, you know. You see what I mean? What me call her? Fat Jacqueline, me call her Fat Jacqueline. And a Baba Romper, Constant Spring. Fat Jacqueline, me call her Fat Jacqueline. And a Baba Romper, Constant Spring. We have this fat girl, the Fat Jacqueline. We have this fat girl, the Fat Jacqueline. Her mother a Baba Romper, Constant Spring. She tell me how much she love entertaining. Used to there with Junior Reid and Charlie Chaplin. So me carry her at me house, we make some loving. She take off the dress, take off the stocking. When me look on the jars, me say, Lord, what a thing. The jars woolly and it full of pear strings. So me look on that and something I run down on the skin. Me say, tell me something. How want that darling? She say, rest right be a dragon stout and 9 nicking. People, big! Come in at the metro.
Jesus, Lord. And the whole crew, man. What a niceness. What a nice and sweetness. Don't chicken chest.
Now put up my legs a little talk to them. Yes. Now big up Tiger, can't touch me while I got the chicken. I love the girl with the stiff titty. We have to look up. Now second we can't cater for the puppet today. Now let us get to an August song, girl, kind of stiff, and we love that. Now second Sky Juice. Lord of mercy. How you mean? How you mean? How you mean? Now second Tanto, enough respect, man. Now check. Ruby bong down, ruby bong sking, lacha. Ruby bong down, ruby bong sking, lacha. Ruby bong down, ruby bong sking. On the new style around from water pump, new style around from poco jump, new style around from batty bungs, new style around from pushing up front. When me say titty girls, you must say jump titty, 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 no titty jump, titty jump. Let me see your titty jump, titty jump, titty jump. Let me see your titty jump. Batty they are back and titty they are front. What a girl titty firm, say like a tree stump. Some girl titty long like elephant trunk. River carry fish in, I see you fine punk. You deep my lyrics, we will give you a thump. Box and kick you, lick it a piece of skin bump. Cause what up you want if you have nice breasts? Shout it out, man, let know you want the cheese, cheese. Why my selector to the jumpers come watch him? I'll second Sky Juice.
Well, still I say no when lyrics nice, man. Pro selector. Yes, still I say no. Now come down power soccer, you're large in the area. Yes, well, second daddy metro. Junglist, let's go on well tight, I want to see him. I don't know that. All a stunt low, well tight. Hey, hey, whoa, hey. So, now sing a boy, them no like to see it. So them want everybody. So them want everybody. No guy can't test me. No, original body, yeah. No guy can't test me. No, so me coming out the metro family. Hey, coming out the metro family. So long with Earl, along with Sky Juice, Peter Metro and the one Tonto. See the power star root out your minto. So now sing a boy, them no like to see it. So them want everybody. So them want everybody. No guy can't test me. No, original body, hey, hey, original body. Lord no, he have a body full of energy. See the power star root out your minty. Hold the microphone, me no girly. So them can't knock me body. So them can't knock me body. Original body. Hey, hey, so sweet dreams and melody. This is a Metro family. Hey, sweet dreams and melody. This is a Metro family. Who travel the world through the seven seas. See the power star root out your minty. Anywhere me go, me no touch the stylist. So them can't knock me body. Hey, them can't knock me body. No guy can't test me. No, original body. Hey, hey, come in chicken chest.
Enough respect for our song. See? How big up our junglist, man? Enough respect. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Jesus, Lord. Bye-bye. One of them come. Gonna live it up. Two of them come. Gonna live it up. Three of them come. They gonna live it up. Four of them come. They gonna live it up. Make sure I feel live. We have to live. Make sure me don't have to live. We have to live. Cause solid chicken chest when solid. Big me big. Sky juicy well big. Large Ashman well big. And Peter well sensitive. Because big me big, not speed rapid thing I love, that is porridge. Thing I cannot take, that is sausage and quain. Run the finger and give a brain hemorrhage. Rent her a room over baby make she live. Now I pay a madman, the girl start power wage. Girl start lead, a mad squad massive. I go and tell you why me know. The girl is stupid, she used to be educated, now she lost her knowledge. Stop think positive and think negative. Girl, sell her bed and start sleeping her fridge. Anything that's so small, she tell me said it big. But Scorpion come, they couldn't live it up. Jamis come, they couldn't live it up. Promotion come, they couldn't live it up. Romantic come, they couldn't live it up. They don't want to live, we have to live. They told me don't want to live. We have to live, let me the round town from a long time. From in 81, 82 and 83. In 84 years we go to London. Come back 85 in September. This a
little sound name Metro Media. No rum dancer Kingston and Manchester. Chicken test Tanto Metro and I'm on Peter. Not to mention Ashman, the great lyrics writer. Along with Sky Juice, the mobile selector. Me say one of them come. Them couldn't live it up. Two of them come. Them couldn't live it up. Three of them come. Now Slash say no. I don't want a massive no, says Metro Media. This sound is a little sound. Slash say no. Say not a big sound, so don't worry yourself. Now dreadlocks, I want you to catch this. People outside, the promoter say, you can't let a 4-piece man the gate man and come in now. All most of them outside, you can't let a $4 for the gate man named Big Irie, the #1 gate man in Jamaica. Not no pass him, because when the whole gate him coming like Samson. Now Big Irie, hold tight now for the $4 them. So last year, shock out. Now Tonto Irie, the chewy fresh, come down youth. Yes? How's the last time now? I'll pull up selector. Now me not deal with girly no more. Slash I know. Pull up. This time me not deal with girly no more. New year, new lyrics. Slash I know. Lord of mercy. Hey. Put up my 2, 1, 3, and 4. Lord, hey, chiba la la la, chilla balaba, chilla balaba, chilla balaba, chilla balaba, chilla balaba. Me did that singing at the 60s as a teenager. Now each and every day me get 3 love letter. No, from Jennifer, Paul, letter, Sandra. But out of all of them a Sandra me prepare. Did I work full time with the Jamaica. A mother and a father, there was a papa. But still change the woman when me heart desire. Give me 2 and some son of beautiful daughter. Them have everything, them want it, them no murmur. But my life was so much up, me say by some rapper. I go tell you everything and when me remember. Who know me wake up on Sunday last December. Me just don't know working at the cool winter. Me sit down and I relax from me veranda. Me send me son Tony for the Sunday gleaner. That ask me some question, me start answer. Everything settled down and in a heart. And me just pat me dagger with them call rover. Who know me started to back as a some in a enter. Have 38, 16 and Bushmaster. We think say a police and we think a soldier. Never get up and run and not a lawbreaker. Who know me turn to the massive ask them what's the matter. Them want all me money and all furniture. Me wife get vexed and say but see her. She feel too shut out of the Bushmaster. Me son Tony alla out that a murder. Get to one in a hip and two in a him shoulder. Now them kidnap me that a kill me dog rover. And leave Tanto why we know fit on a papa. He said after that I turn up on the yonta. No me wake up next to money just like a soldier. In a full suit and green and Milan Rover. Me M16 fling over me shoulder. I track them through swamp, track them through water. Me put them in the desert name Sahara. Me sit down and I watch them for about an hour. Enough for fun and me say enough laughter. Could take it no more me eye full of water. Me spring pan of them and me say like a tiger. And over through the one with the Bushmaster. We jump on me belly and me touch the trigger. When me done a leg shot, oh not the surrender. No yes I can't tell why me know your bull bout ya. Y'all rush me like a termite and rush lumber. Them say that can't tell why me you are a number. And anytime it on the dance catch a fire. Go call the brigade for me. Go tell them can't tell why me in your vicinity. I'll Peter Metro. I'll come down. Cause you're gigantic. Well, it's not saying no Tonto one time. Pull up selector. Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker. We the ghetto people know why the flour and the dumpling that you have today gets so tough, sir. You know why? The cement factory is too near the flour factory. And all of the cement dust blowing the wall of the flour out there. So that's why dumpling them so tough. Now shut out. Because you see we go all about go play and when we go to TV we make the people them feel nice, don't we? And when we come out of store we have to make the people them feel nice. See what I mean? Mr. Speaker, shut out. Now then, this said them keeping a dance in the House of Parliament along with Michael Malik and Siago government. The sound where they play government high power with the 1GG as the operator. So them say that them want some entertainer. So them say Stephen and Charles and they want Siaga, Michael Manley, who big about ya. See, I go take the mic and when them started to talk him. That about 50th Street and sidewalk. And send some farmer to go to New York. So him pass the mic on to Daddy Manley. When Manley I thought everybody feel Irie. No, these are the words of Michael Manley. We want election, no, we want election, no. All of them must say want election, no. Well, up here when you want election, will. Yes? Oh, don't worry yourself, because we have to touch a little piece of it. Everywhere we go, we have to touch it. Yes? Now when we go all about, like people will touch a style to make them feel nice down there. See what I mean? Now don't worry yourself, we have to touch intelligent now. Now catch it. Now, this same the dance in America. We're talking about the dance in America. This same the dance in America. We're talking about the dance in America. Keep bubbling, Mr. Them, keeping that dance beside in America. They say for every Paris from Jamaica. Like St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland and Nova. St. Anne, St. James and Manchester. St. Anne, St. James and Manchester. St. Thomas, St. Catherine and the one Portland, St. Mary, St. Catherine and the one Clarendon, the one Kingston and Mr. Trelawney. They want every parish to come rock them body. When everything said and in the order, Kingston him could not come cause him not get no visa. Cause him have the most thief and the most murderer who stand up at the gate. The one Westmoreland, when you're looking at the middleman up here ganja man who a scream off the fence, not the one Portland. So him have the most stone like any other land. The bartender was the one Clarenda. We'll not come again, Mr. Selector man. Yes? Now settle. Selassie I know. Now the rap for lyrics. Now share. They dance in America. They say for every parish from Jamaica. Yeah, he name the dance in America. They say for every parish from Jamaica. No, say Kingston him could not come cause him not get no visa. Cause him have the most thief and the most murderer who stand up at the gate and not the one Westmoreland. When you're looking at the middleman up here ganja man who a scream off the fence, not the boy Portland. So him have the most stone like any other land who are cooking at the kitchen, the one Clarendon. So him have the most farmer and the most fisherman. Say everything him cook rasta know you can yam. Like roast corn, roast breadfruit and yellow yam. Roast lobster fish and me say roast wedge man. The bartender was the one St. Anne. Him no sell no Heineken, no red stripe, no dragon. Him sell sweet sugar cane and watermelon. The good coconut to make you strong like lion. Who a chat from them like the boy Manchester. I fling some style backside no stop here. You should have side St. Mary and Nova. Say them a do the style name mashed potato. What you want St. Elizabeth a go like him a that. So him have the most onion, the most scallion and the most red people. Them will favor yellow man, the richest man in the dance. A St. Tanto. Him a ride down the bar as the big time dance. So him have the most big house, the most mansion, the most satellite dish and color television. Look, we'll and come again, Miss Selector. Yes? You think we don't do it yet? Answer the telephone when Metro Media was calling. Now what do you say, sound or lazy? The weather can't call Miss Daisy. Come Metro Media sound come to rock you just like a 3 months baby, yeah. Now he could part 2 styles run away channel the biggest stop be running wide. That's what I'm going to say. So I say no. To them say some man come from foreign, them run left them good man and run down to the foreigner. Just to them see the foreigner some big chain and some big ring. Run left them good man and gone to the foreigner, you know. Cause the foreigner tell them, say, yeah, baby, I can carry you back to New York, you know, when I'm going up back and thing like that. I hear the foreigner do know, carry her all about and sex it out and thing and get her number. And say, baby, it's when I go to New York, you just call me. So I turn up on the phone, go and call the foreigner, dial the number when the operator come in, you're the operator now. The number you dial are not in service. Please check your number again and yes, Mr. Selector. Part of this time to run away channel, the biggest stop be running wild. Now I'm going to say Tanto Metro, come down you. Yes? Now big respect to the youth like Soup One. Linky and Samuel type man. Put a Bobby Babo, put a Bobby Babo. Come to the weather. Put a Bobby Babo, put a Bobby Babo. Come to the weather. Put a Bobby Babo, put a Bobby Babo. Come to the weather. Put a Bobby Babo, put a Bobby Babo. Now them all
love the way, I love the way, all of them massive, them I love the way. Come tell them I love the way, I love the way, all of them massive, them I love the way. Now show me nice up, that's me nice up, to me nice up city. And I in this variety, 6 notch of charity. Come on, I feel my myself, I'll do me, but I mind me.